Hey, my friends, we all know that running a business in today's day and age is no easy task. But what if you could create experiences that not only set you apart, but really create that industry best standard? Leaders, if that's you, listen up and let's dive in. Today is Customer Experience Day, and it is a global reminder of how you treat your customers, my friends, is the key to long-term success. Whether you're striving for excellence or you're already recognized as an industry leader, by focusing on customer experience, my friends, is how you stay at the top of your game. Now, here's the thing. Too many businesses wait till there's a problem and they're reactive. And here's the thing. Reactive businesses, my friends, are always cleaning up a mess. But when you get to a place where you can be proactive about customer experience, then you're going to be thriving in that customer experience success. You see, award-winning businesses don't just get there by chance, my friends. They get there by design. You see, customer experience isn't just another department. It is a heartbeat of your brand's commitment to the people you serve. Whether you're looking to win an award or maintain that industry successful standard that you have, the reality is prioritizing customer experience, just like you do sales and accounting and marketing. It is that critical to make it a line item on your budget as we go into the year ahead. Now, here's the other thing. Hey, we have a whole month to celebrate CX Day. And so here's 3 tips that will help you get celebrating. Number 1, I call it ALA. Ask, listen, and act. ALA. You want to ask really great questions. You want to listen to understand, not just to hear. And you want to act and make sure that you're responding, not reacting, and improving the overall experience. Number 2, celebrate successes. Make sure to recognize and reward those people who embed and really practice your organization's vision, mission, and core values. Number 3, friends, invest in the experience. Understand that you have to invest in designing trainings, development, creating engagement, but also a strategy. Do you know what success looks like? Today, tomorrow, 6 months from now, do you have a real active way of measuring customer experience success? And that's where strategy comes in. So here's the thing. Whether you're aspiring to be best in class or whether you're defending your top position, my friends, customer experience is your secret weapon. Hey, if you need more strategies, let's connect, and I'm happy to share, or drop a comment and share your best practices in customer experience below. Happy Customer Experience Day, happy Customer Experience Month, and I wish you all outstanding success.